Hello, this is SVP with our Dr. Tech coffee machine, and today we're going to show you how to clean the parts inside the coffee machine when in the case of water leaking or the coffee beans being clogged. First, remember that to have the machine unplugged and off before doing this, and you open the side latch, take out the inside parts, the drag drawer and plate, and also the brewing unit. This one's the brewing unit that would need very thorough cleaning. This is the drag plate. So here we are with the brewing unit. This is how it looks like. This is after it's removed from the machine. So you take it to the sink and fill it on top through the hole, and the water will go through the bottom through the little pipe. And make sure it's cleaned thoroughly and all the water comes through so that it's not as clogged. Also clean around the rest of the brewing unit everywhere. So now that we've completed the cleaning of the inside parts, you put the drag drawer and plate back in, and also the brewing unit. You'll hear a click to indicate that it has been inserted in, and close back the side door. And now we have completed the cleaning of the coffee machine. That is all for our video today. Thank you for watching.